Hello everyone, welcome back to Analytics with Mahendra. Today we are going to talk about Excel date functions, which are very important in real world reporting and MIS and analysis. In this video, we'll cover the following date functions: today, now, date, day, month, year, EOMONTH, EDATE, aging. So aging will calculate. Let's start with the today function. Suppose this column is my order date and I want to compare it with today's date to calculate aging. So write equal to today bracket close and see we got the today's date here. Now if we need uh, talk about the another function here, which is now. So this is basically giving us the date with respect to the time as well, date plus time. So today is returning only date and now is returning, it returns date plus time. This is useful when time tracking is required, like SLA tracking, ticket resolution time we need. Now let's talk about the date function here. Now, if you want to manually construct a date using year, month, date, so simply we can put it as this: first is year, then month, then day. Now, if we want to extract day from a particular date, so day, then we have to extract the date from this particular date function, and the month to this the month. See, we got the month as well. All the day is one here, and the month is separated, which is here 12, 6, 1. And now we are going to extract year. The reference is same. So these functions are heavily used in aging analysis, monthly and yearly reporting, trend analysis, right? When we are showing the month-wise trend, the year-wise trend, or if you want to extract uh, the day-wise as well. Now EO month means end of month. Yeah. What if we need uh, the end of month date here to get the end of the month date? So EO month, then this. Okay, one reference we have to provide it here, which is months. In which month is it required? For this current month, if it is for current month, we have to provide 0. See, this returns the last date of the same month. Correct? If we'll write it as 1, it will provide us the next month's date, which is Feb. So reference is from 0 to 0, 1, 2, 3, like that. What if I'll write, if we need previous date, so we can put it -1 here. So we'll get the previous month and date here. Correct? Now, if you want to add or subtract months from a date, we use EDATE equal to EDATE this comma how much, sorry, can put it as here. So um, it is adding 1 month from this particular date. If you want to add 2 month, it will give you 2 month date. If you want to add 3 month, it will add 3 month here, right? So EDATE is working like this. You can subtract the date as well. Now come to the aging part. If we want to minus, calculate the aging, how we can calculate? So we have two tricks here. One is we have the data as per the date, like EDATE we have the order date as well. So simply we can do this, and we got the date here, 90 days from this, right? What if we don't need any EDATE, and we have to calculate is it as per the today's function? How we can do? So we can calculate it using today minus this. So see, you can simply do it using by this, equal to this minus this. You'll get the aging here. See, the same thing is coming. This returns the number of days between 2 days. This logic is widely used in sales funnel aging, invoice overdue tracking, SLA calculations. So today we learned how to get today's rate and time, how to create and extract date components, how to calculate month and dates, how to add or subtract months, how to calculate date aging. So if you like this video, if you feel this video is helpful for your reporting thing, please like, share and subscribe the channel so that